Walmart Family Mobile suspensions usually happen because of unpaid balances. If your service is temporarily suspended, the first step is to check your account status via the Walmart Family Mobile app, website, or by calling customer service at 1-800-922-0207. The most common reason for suspension is an unpaid balance after a 30-day grace period. To restore service instantly, pay the outstanding balance, even just $1. Payments can be made through the app, website, in a Walmart store, or using a Walmart gift card. Use credit or debit cards or bank transfers. Most accounts are restored within 24 hours of payment. To avoid future suspensions, set up autopay through the Walmart Family Mobile app or website and ensure your payment information is always up to date. Monitor your account usage regularly to stay informed about your balance. Keep in mind that a $10 reactivation fee may apply if your account remains suspended for over 90 days. Walmart is continuously improving its digital tools, with the app using AI to predict potential suspension risks. If you face issues, remember that in-person payment options are available at Walmart stores. For more information, always refer to the official Walmart Family Mobile website, familymobile.com.